Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs and future business leaders. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to start a business with no money. Yes, you heard that right. Join me as we explore creative strategies and practical tips to turn your business idea into reality without breaking the bank. Starting a business doesn't always require a hefty investment. With determination, resourcefulness, and a clear plan, you can launch your dream venture even on a shoestring budget. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your business idea. Start by identifying your passion, skills, and knowledge. What problem are you solving? How will your product or service add value to your customers' lives? Your business idea should be clear, unique, and aligned with market needs. Validate your idea by conducting market research and gathering feedback from potential customers. Step 2. Leverage your skills and resources. Assess what you already have: your skills, expertise, and existing network. Utilize free or low-cost resources such as online courses, business incubators, and mentorship programs. Develop skills that are crucial for your business, whether it's digital marketing, product development, or customer service. Seek guidance from experienced entrepreneurs who can provide valuable insights and support. Step 3. Bootstrap your business. Embrace the art of bootstrapping, building and growing your business with minimal external funding. Start small and focus on generating revenue from day one. Cut costs by working from home, using free or affordable tools for website development, marketing, and operations. Barter services with other businesses or collaborate on projects to reduce expenses. Step 4. Build an online presence. In today's digital age, establishing a strong online presence is essential for attracting customers and growing your business. Read a professional website or e-commerce store using user-friendly platforms. Leverage social media platforms to connect with your target audience, share valuable content, and build relationships. Step 5. Focus on sales and customer relationships. Generate revenue by offering products or services that meet customer needs. Provide exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty. Prioritize customer feedback and continuously improve your offerings based on their input. Cultivate long-term relationships with customers through personalized communication and genuine engagement. Starting a business with no money requires creativity, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of your entrepreneurial dreams. By defining your idea, leveraging resources, bootstrapping wisely, building an online presence, and prioritizing customer relationships, you can set a solid foundation for success. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Your determination and passion will pave the way to entrepreneurial success. Launch your business with no money. Start today.